Here at Cardone, each one of our technicians, including myself, has to be ASE certified. This is a one-year requirement, so every year we either have to get recertified or we have to be certified in a new area. This keeps us up to date on all the changing technology in the automotive industry. It also gives our customers a sense of confidence that the person they're talking to on the other end of the phone has the experience to answer their questions properly. Here we have subscriptions to several different databases that provide automotive information. This information isn't stuff that you can find just on a regular Google search. We have access to TSBs, wiring schematics, repair times, torque specifications. We can provide all this to our customers, but our goal is we don't just want to provide this information to the customers, we want to make sure they understand it. So we'll walk them through everything step by step just to make sure they have the confidence to do the job right. We get callers anywhere from first-time installers, do-it-yourselfers, and we talk to master technicians. So there's no question that may sound uneducated. We take about 400 calls a day sometimes, so we've heard it all before. So never be afraid to call us with a question that you think may be silly or kind of off the wall, because I'm sure we've heard it before. Some of the calls we get can be a misdiagnosis. Customer may buy a Cardone part, put it on, they're going to have the same problem as they had before. One of the common calls we get is brake calipers. The calipers are sticking. After installation, we ask about the brake lines. Were the brake lines ever changed, the rubber brake hoses? Usually the answer is no, and that ends up being the problem. The customer doesn't really need the caliper at that point, so technically Cardone loses the sale. But our main goal is here to help our customers get their cars back on the road. We're not here to try to make a sale. We just want to make sure our customers are taken care of and satisfied.